Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on my channel, please do like, comment and subscribe. Today I am doing a bun with 2 twisted braids. So first off, I start by spraying my hair to make sure that it's moisturized, and also you must make sure that you evenly distribute your moisture to your hair. This allows you to shape and stretch your hair easily, and it also makes it easier for you to finger detangle your hair. Finger detangling is very important, you guys, because you can actually feel the knots and tangles in your hair, and you can use your fingers to release them easily rather than detangling with a comb, which will rip through any tangles, resulting in more hair breakage. Now I'm parting my hair for me to be able to do those 2 twisted braids, and in everything that you do, to make sure that you are handling your hair with care. This is to prevent your hair from breaking. When I'm finished with doing the braid, I apply a little amount of gel to prevent the hair from twisting out. I have forwarded the other twist braid as I am repeating the same thing that I have just done now. Always apply your gel on clean, damp hair, because applying gel on dirty hair or greasy hair can make the gel less effective and more crunchy looking and flaky. So always just apply it on your clean, damp hair. And then when I'm done applying the gel, I tie my hair in a bun, and then that's about it. It's just a simple, nice, cute style.